Welcome to the StoryChief Academy. In this video, we'll explore the campaign's feature and its possibilities. Let's start at the beginning. What is a campaign? A campaign is a goal-focused content initiative. Our feature enables you to combine all your content such as articles, social posts, newsletters, and events, all around the same topic. This can help you organize your content into individual groups that align around the same objective. Let's dive in. On the dashboard, click on Campaigns. Here, you'll see a list of your created campaigns with all the details and a nice overview. The first usage is sorting, which can be useful for a long list of campaigns. To arrange the table, click on the header you like the sort on, such as the start date. In this overview, it's also possible to easily make changes to a campaign by clicking the menu 3 dots. This opens the options to delete, edit, or duplicate a campaign. Full control at your fingertips. Another powerful feature is creating filter segments in the overview, which allows easy access to a group of filters. In the left sidebar, you see the default segments. We'll create a new segment for our campaigns with a clear ICP. Click on Add Filter and select ICP. Choose Has Any Value. Hit Done to apply the filter. Click on Save Filters and give the segment a name, such as Targeted Campaigns. Finish by clicking the Save New Segment button. This new segment is now added to the left sidebar. Next, let's go through the creation flow together. To create a new campaign, simply click on New Campaign. Alternatively, you can go to the calendar and click on the green plus button followed by selecting Campaign. First, choose whether you like to create a public or a private campaign. A private campaign is only visible to the creator, the workspace owner, and the collaborators. This also applies to the attached content in the campaign. Fill in all details, give it a catchy name, specify its running time, and provide a description for your collaborators to be up to date. Below the owner, you'll see the contributors where you can also add other users to collaborate within the same campaign. In Step 3, color code your campaigns to help organize your content effectively. This will make it easier for you to identify which content belongs to what campaign in your content calendar. The last step for the creation is the custom fields, which can be created in the settings. In our example, we can determine the ideal customer profile and the key performance indicator. Finish the process by saving the campaign. It's also possible to save this one or to immediately add another. Now we'll take a look at the existing campaigns. To have an overview of your campaign, click on Content. Here, you see all the information regarding the campaign: the description, the running time, the status, the collaborators, and the custom fields. This information is normally provided when the campaign is created, but can be edited by clicking the Edit button on the top right. This opens a sidebar with the property fields to adjust, which we'll close again. On to the content pieces of our campaign. Back in the overview, you first see the campaign's events. These are grouped by their date, so either upcoming or past events. Add more events by clicking Create and Create New. In the open sidebar, fill in the title, the start and end date, and enable the checkbox when it's an all-day event. Add this event to the current campaign or even to additional ones. Leave a description to provide additional clarity. Choose to save the event or to immediately add another one. To return to the overview, click on Save. Underneath the events, you see all the campaign's content. Dig through the list by adding filters. For example, choose the content type and select Social Post. Not all properties are shown to make the list more digestible. Click on the grid button to select additional fields. Now they are displayed on the overview. More content can be added by clicking Create, where you can select a content type such as an article. In the open sidebar, fill out the creation form with a title, a language, the due date, collaborators, and campaigns. Help the writers by providing a keyword and an editorial brief. The brief can contain all key information, but also a target word count or an attached document. Now save the brief. Choose to save the article or to immediately add another one. To return to the overview, click on Save. Once you've started creating and publishing your content, it's important to review how your campaign is doing. For example, have you reached your campaign goals and what type of content received the most impressions and engagements? Click on Insights in the campaign to view the analytics. The default view shows the past 7 days, but you can easily choose another start date and a different end date. Hit Apply to see the result. The article performance is the first graph, which shows the number of articles and the number of reads. To see the details, hover over the graphic to see the exact number per day. The social media performance has 3 graphics, showing the amount of posts, the engagements, and the impressions for the selected time frame. Below is the breakdown, which displays the metrics per connected social channel. That way you can gain more insight into how the posts are performing. How? We'll explain with a practical example. If Facebook has the highest amount of impressions and the lowest amount of engagement, it might be worth looking into the call to action of these posts. To conclude the insights, we have the best performing content at the bottom. It can also help reproduce the success this content has. Go manage your campaigns and turn the theory into practice. Curious for more? Check out our other videos.